Hello creepy people and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the August 2021 horror pack unboxing. I updated you guys on all of the reviews that I have in my last horror pack unboxing, which was the July 2021. So in this one we are just going to do a very quick rundown of the August unboxing. We're going to see what movies we're going to get. We're going to see if they're good or not. And then of course in the month of September I will update you guys on all of the movies that I watched and the reviews that I have on them. So really quickly, if you guys do not know what Horror Pack is a horror movie subscription service where every month you get 4 new DVD and or Blu-rays. They are all horror movie genre related. You have no idea what you're going to get. It's always a surprise. The only thing you do know is that they are going to be creepy. And in every single horror pack, you always get one horror pack limited edition movie. Sometimes they're really good, and sometimes they're awful. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to open this bad lad up and we are going to see what we get inside. If you guys are curious and you want to check out Horror Pack for yourself, I will have a link right at the top of the description box where you guys can easily click and check out the site. Don't worry, it's not an affiliate link. I am not making any money off of your clicks. It is just a link for you guys to easily access the site and see if Horror Pack is right for you. But without further ado, let's get into the August unboxing. I'm really excited. I'm also waiting for my mom to get here because she has to drop some stuff off to me, so I keep like peeking out my window and stuff. Okay, so right when we open up the package, as you can see on the inside, we have 4 new Blu-rays in here, and I'm very excited. Fingers crossed we get some good ones, you guys. We're getting closer and closer to spooky season, which means hopefully the movies are going to chill me to my core. So let's go ahead and begin, shall we? I think I'm going to start on the very bottom this time. And the first movie that we got for August of 2021 is ta-da! Cloverfield. Okay, I have definitely heard of this movie before, but I can't say for sure if I've seen it or not. I'm honestly not sure. This movie was made in 2008. It's about an hour and a half long. God, this movie looks so freaking familiar. On the bottom here, it says, "Something has found us." So let's see. There really isn't anything on the back to read. I want to say this is like an alien takeover type movie, which I'm honestly kind of excited about. I do really like a good creepy alien movie. So on the back it says, "From visionary producer J.J. Abrams and director Matt Reeves comes this worldwide sensation of nonstop terror and suspense everyone is talking about." So I am actually insanely excited to see this. Like I said, it sounds really familiar, but I don't think I've ever personally seen it. So we're going to have to wait and see, but I'm really excited about this one. I'm sure a lot of you guys watching have seen this movie, so let me know down in the comments, am I going to like this movie? Is it an alien movie? Am I right? Am I right about that? Okay, so far I think we're off to a really good start. The next one I'm going to pick is the one in the very middle here. And the second movie that we got is, ta-da! This is, what does that say? I cannot really read what this says, but I think it says Come True, I want to say. And this is a Raven Banner film. I don't think this is the Horror Pack limited edition. I could be wrong. Yeah, interesting. Does that say Come True? I'm having a really hard time reading that. Does it say Come True? But the back of it looks fucking creepy. Like, look at that shit. Fuck no. Major Exorcist vibes right there. So let's read what this one says. So on the back of it, like the very top, it says, "Looking for an escape from her reoccurring nightmares." We love that. And on the back it says, 18-year-old Sarah submits to a university sleep study, but soon realizes she's become the conduit of a frightening new discovery. Dreams twist and nightmares come true in this mind-altering new work of science fiction from Anthony Scott Burns that haunts the space between wakefulness and sleep. Come True is an unforgettable cinematic dream well worth the submersion. Ooh, oh my god, this one actually sounds really freaking good. When was this made? This was made in 2019, so almost 3 years ago. Can you guys believe that 2019 was almost 3 years ago? What the fuck is life? I was right, this does say come true. That was really hard to read. I don't know, I don't like that font. I don't like it. It made me think too much. Have you guys seen this movie before? Have you guys ever heard of this movie before? I've never even heard of this movie, and it sounds so good. I really hope that it's creepy. Alrighty guys, we have 2 movies left. I'm gonna take the one off of the very top here. I'm really curious to see what our Horror Pack Limited Edition is going to be this month. Oh, what the fluff is this? Yes! Oh my god, I knew I recognized this. So the next movie that we got for August of 2021 is this one, and this one is The Devil Inside, inspired by true events. I went and actually saw this movie in theaters when it came out because I was so excited to see it. And I actually really like this movie. I really liked it when I first saw it, and oh my god, I'm really excited that we got this in a horror pack. Hell yeah. Oh my god, dude, have you guys ever seen this movie? I thought it was pretty decent. I'm gonna have to watch it again because it has been quite a long time since I've actually seen it. I think the last time I saw this was actually in theaters, but this was done in 2012. It's about an hour and a half long. But for those of you who have never seen it, I will go ahead and read what it says on the back. So in 1989, emergency responders received a 911 call from Maria Rossi confessing to 3 brutal murders. The courts found her insane, but something else found her first. 20 years later, her daughter Isabella's search for answers leads her to an exorcism by 2 rogue priests, revealing that her mother is possessed by 4 powerful demons. Now, Isabella must face pure evil or forsake her soul. Discover why The Devil Inside is a movie critics call riveting and terrifying. Oh, bitch. Yup. Okay. So just reading that kind of like brought back certain scenes from this movie, and I'm fucking ready for it. My body is ready. Alright guys, we have 1 movie left, which can only mean one thing. This must be the Horror Pack Limited Edition for this month, and the one that we got is... Oh my god, what the hell? I was not expecting that title. This one is the Horror Pack Limited Edition, and this one is called Don't Fuck in the Woods. Which I can just say from personal experience, definitely fuck in the woods at least once. It's quite exhilarating. This is the Horror Pack Limited Edition Blu-ray, Don't Fuck in the Woods. This is a Sean Burkett film, and wow, I have a feeling we're gonna see a lot of boobs, butts, sex. This is a rated R movie. Oh, it's actually unrated. This film contains nudity, sex, drug use, profanity, violence, and adult themes. There you go. There you go. And there's a quote from Dread Central, and it says, "The best movie title ever has been created." I mean, amen to that. Amen to that. On the back, it says, after the stress and mental anguish of finals, Alex and her girlfriend Jane trek with a few friends into the woods for a little rest and relaxation. You guys know I love movies like that, where a bunch of young adults all get together and they go in the woods to relax, and it turns out to be a shit show. I love that shit. As the group begins to unwind, something in the dark has discovered a new and intoxicating scent, and a thirst that can't be quenched. Oh, bitch, this is funny as hell. I love this. I'm going to watch it with so much joy and laughter, and you never know, it might surprise me. It might be the best movie that I've ever fucking seen in my life. So I am very excited to watch this, and I will watch it, and I will report back to you guys next month on what I think of it. But like the back of it, like, oh my god, this is such a horror pack movie. Like, I can't. And then the front of it, like, what even is that demon monster looking thing? Like, what the fuck is that? Like, what is that? Okay, guys, and those were all of the movies that we got for the August 2021 Horror Pack unboxing. I am actually really excited about every single one of these movies. There's not one movie in here that I felt about. I'm very excited. So I think August was a pretty good month as far as horror movies go. So I want to know, of course, as usual, down in the comments, have any of you guys seen these movies? What did you think of them? Are they good? Am I going to like them? Please leave all your thoughts and comments down below. I'm very excited. So I will get right on to watching these movies. And next month, for the month of September, we will talk all about these these and talk about what I liked, what I didn't like, and all that good stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to continue to see horror pack unboxings here on my channel, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, if you are new to my channel and you are a horror fan like myself, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so very much. I will see you very soon in my next video. I'm very excited to watch these. I'm gonna get right on that. So I will talk to you guys again very soon. I love you guys, and remember to stay creepy. Bye guys.